Let's take a look at the Disney Fantasy Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with a veranda. Hey y'all, it's Koala bringing you quality cruise content, and we're gonna kick off with something pretty unique to Disney, and that is the bathrooms. And yes, I said bathrooms plural. The way that it works is that there are two separate rooms. One is closest to the front door, which is just the toilet, has its own sink as well. Next to it is going to be the bathtub and the shower. I love how Disney does this because it definitely optimizes the space for if you have multiple people in your cabin. Cabin space can be limited as it is, so it's great to be able to move around and allow for flow in the cabin. Now the closet is going to have a lot of really great space. You're going to have drawers next to it, but inside the closet you're going to have the safety vests, you're going to have the safe, and some cubbies as well. Technically it is two closets, so like I said, it's great for if you have quite a few people in the cabin staying with you. You're also going to find the ladder for the bunk bed if you choose to use it during your sailing. By the front door you will find the master switches for the lighting. Next to the bed you'll have a phone and your lamps. You will also find the sofa bed, which has the bunk bed right above it. And you're going to find the vanity area as well. This is going to have the TV and the mini fridge, plenty of outlets to charge your devices, and you'll find the hairdryer in the drawer. There's a lot of storage in this area, which I definitely appreciate. And of course, this room wouldn't be the same without the veranda. You get lots of really great views left, right, and center, and you'll be able to enjoy your cruise watching the waves go by. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bon voyage!